the way I vlog. I want to flip it in and not have it. Yeah, this probably makes no sense. Why are you here? Oh wait, no, you're the good one. Shoot wrapping. I'm gonna go set up some of this stuff now. I'll talk to you guys in a second, and I'm definitely imitating Giuseppe right now with his case when he makes deep points. But we're just gonna focus on the wide angle. Happy to see me type of thing, you know? No, I'm not gonna do that. Wait, don't sleep on me. Don't sleep. Don't sleep. Publix. Okay, literally no idea what I'm doing with this. On. Okay, Josh. Moving on.